Now, the head of NASA, Jim Bridenstine, has branded India's destruction of one of its own satellites a terrible thing that had created 400 pieces of orbital debris and led to new dangers for astronauts who are aboard the International Space Station. The Indian satellite, remember, was destroyed at a relatively low altitude of 300 kilometers. That is well below the International Space Station and most satellites that are currently in orbit. Shweta Kothari on the phone line with us. Shweta, the head of NASA saying that the shooting down of the LEO satellite was a terrible thing. What could be the ramifications of this comment? Of course, in India's defense, understandably, the satellite was destroyed at a relatively low altitude, which couldn't affect or, it couldn't threaten the International Space Station and the astronauts aboard it. Could that be a defense India uses against these remarks by the head of NASA?
This was unexpected lines. Remember, we were reporting here on NewsX that every time a country, launches an operation of this scale and magnitude, the international community obviously will be threatened. And once again, those, remarks have been reinstated or reconfirmed here. Head of NASA, Jim Bridenstine, has addressed the employees of NASA and said that the debris of the low, orbit satellite that was shot down in Mission Shakti is going to be terribly dangerous, about 400 pieces of the orbital debris, and will be leading to new dangers for astronauts aboard the International Space Station. He was, of course, addressing his own people and said that this is going to be one of the worst things. Not all pieces are big enough to track. Some pieces have been tracked, about 24 pieces have been tracked, but many pieces are, beyond traceability, and this could in fact harm, the astronauts as well as the other missiles, especially the space station, in the International Space Station. He's also said that the bigger pieces, approximately 6 inches and above, have been tracked. About 60 such pieces of the 400 pieces of the debris have been tracked, but many are still floating in the open space. But what's important here to point out is that the, Indian side of the administration, including the DRDO, has obviously talked about the debris. They said that the debris is not going to cause any harm. So they, in fact, preempted all these dangers, these threats, and also, these remarks in a sense, because they knew that these remarks are going to come from not just the NASA, but also from, the US administration, the Chinese administration, as well as the administration in Britain. So all these statements were preempted, all these threats and advances were preempted, and India has obviously made it clear that the debris is not going to be harmful in the long run.
All right. Shweta, of course, the Indian side had already said that this debris in the space will be kept at the minimum and that it will not pose a risk to other satellites or the astronauts aboard the International Space Station at all. But the head of NASA speaks to the contrary. He said risks have gone up for the astronauts who are aboard the International Space Station. Are they considering any remedial measures? Are they considering to perhaps move the International Space Station out of the path of the debris?
These are just statements coming in at this point in time, Deepavali, nothing more than statements. In fact, Jim Bridenstine was addressing employees of NASA. He was not even giving a press conference. So obviously, even though they have flagged that this could be a danger to astronauts as well as the International Space Station, I do not believe that, any measure, any remedial measure will need to be taken. As I said, India has already clarified that the debris is non-harmful, that the debris has obviously been traced, but NASA obviously flagging its own concerns here.
All right, just raising a concern, just raising the possibility of risk. Shweta, thanks very much for giving us all those details.